In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate documents with Google Translate. Now, there are two ways to get onto the platform. The first way is to use the link translate.google.com, or you can do that through Chrome by clicking on this grid button here, then select from the window, the pop-up window here that says Translate. Once you click on Translate, it will redirect you to the Translate page. But I have it opened already, so let's just get working with this. Now, since you want to translate a document, you want to click on Document, and then from here you click on Browse Your Files. So when you click on Browse Your Files, you'll be allowed to select a particular file from your folder, maybe a doc or a PDF. For me, it's a PDF, so I'm just going to select PDF. Now, as you can see, the document has been uploaded to Google Translate. Now, this is the language. Now, it can dictate the original language from this here. You see dictate language, or you can just say English. This is like saying, okay, this is the original language of my document. Then this is the language you want to translate to. There are other options here as well. So you can just click on this arrow here, and you can pick from any of this option. As you can see here, there are a lot of options here, but for me, for the purpose of this video, let's just click on Spanish. Let's just select Spanish. Now, once you select Spanish, you click on Translate. It's translating already. Depending on your network strength, it might take a bit of time. Okay, it's done translating. So what you want to do is now download the translation. So having downloaded the translation, I want to click and see what was done. So as you can see here, this is the translation. If you can understand Spanish, you see that this has been translated from English to Spanish. Is that simple and straightforward? If you found value in this video, do well to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next one.